Hey guys, Chip Kose here with Laws for Life. All the things you need to know about your everyday of life, whether you're involved in litigation or not. As you know, I'm a personal injury attorney in New Orleans, and one of the biggest things I think everybody needs to know about is a law called, colloquially called no pay, no play. Now, what is no pay, no play? What that means is that if you have a car that you are not insured, and you're driving that car and you're involved in an accident that is not your fault, it's someone else's fault that does have insurance, you incur a penalty of not being able to recover the first $15,000 of any personal injury claim and a certain amount of your car's property damage as well. So even though you're not at fault, you could come away from that with damage to your vehicle that will not be fixed by that insurance company and potentially forfeiting any viable bodily injury claim that you have. So what's the takeaway here? Make sure that you have insurance on your vehicle. Now let's take the flip side of that. Let's say you are properly insured and you are hit by someone that doesn't have insurance and they are at fault. That is why it's incredibly important to have uninsured motorist coverage. There's a few different varieties. They have, the regular type, which is and you always want to get it in the same amount as your liability coverage. They have the regular amount, and then they have something called economic only. I would advise against getting the economic only policy because that does not allow you to recover for any injuries you sustained, but only to recover from any financial losses that you sustained, such as if you incur any medical bills or if you lose time from work or things like that. So make sure to get that uninsured motorist coverage in the standard form in the same amount as your liability coverage and avoid the economic only UM. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. It's chip@koselaw.com and we'll talk again soon. Thanks a lot.